How to fix Persona 5 The Phantom X crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game and go to properties, and then go to installed files, and then click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish. Then you want to click on browse button, and then you want to right click on the game exe and go to properties, and then go to compatibility tab and check both of these options. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Then click on apply and OK. Now you want to close this and try to launch the game again to see if that solves the issue. Now if for some reason you still have the crash, what you can do is open up your GPU program. So for example, I have an NVIDIA GPU, so I'm going to open up NVIDIA app. You will also need to download and install this if you don't have it already. Then go to drivers section, and then click on this arrow to check for the updates, and then download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once it finishes installing, you will simply need to reboot your computer and launch the game from Steam again, and it should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.